In primetime news this evening, road crash carnage, yet another multiple fatality collision on the North Coast.
Stakeholders optimistic about plans being pursued to fix the education system.
And TVJ looks at Central Kingston as voters get ready to decide their next representative. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, you sounded exciting, and there are exciting stuff in the business day. Private sector is urged to partner with the government to transform the energy sector. And speaking of energy, we have the latest gas prices. Those and more in the business day.
And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
All right, thanks, Archibald. I know you like this one. Jamaica now has the 3 fastest men over 100 meters in the world. This after the national 200-meter champion, well, he ran a massive PB today.
That's Brian Level? Or is Level?
I didn't say it.
Don't spoil it, Archie. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Back in black.
Thanks, Janella. Thanks, Archie. We do have those weaker winds still persisting across the Caribbean region, so those afternoon showers and thunderstorms are still occurring across Jamaica, Cuba, and Hispaniola, and we expect them to continue for the rest of this week.
Remember, I have a story to tell you, right, about our very own man in black. We'll tell you more after he will tell you more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
Okay, so this is a good one. This evening we are asking, what strategies do you use to protect and improve your mental health?
You can share your comments online. Lots of laughter for me. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.